How to fix Amazon Prime not working after subscription. So if you want to fix Amazon Prime not working after subscription, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go and search for Amazon Prime Video and go with www.primevideo.com. You'll get this kind of interface. First things first, if your videos are not working, even after your payment, then try logging out of your account. And if it's still not working, then make sure that your card have enough balance in it and the balance is actually deducted for subscriptions. And now see if it fixes your problem. Now, if the issue still persists and if it's not working, then the last thing you can try is launch any of your preferred web browsers and type in Amazon Prime Video Contact Support. Open that link, go ahead and search for videos not working after subscription. If you see any kind of related articles, then you can click on it and you will have the solution. If not, you can just simply scroll down and then you'll find an option of contact us. You need to click on it and then just go and log in with your Prime Video account and then you will get in help via customer support. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.